Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, divergence and stochastic RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Ethereum hourly time frame, the price went up by around 2.1% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $12.26. And the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, could hold support or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around $11.75. For longer price development, the daily time frame should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the hourly ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around $11.69. The support should be considered because the ribbon is more or less spread out. Looking for divergence in the hourly time frame, owing to the bearish divergence, the price has already gone down. Looking at the hourly stochastic RSI, we can see that the crypto is being oversold because the %K and %D lines are in the lower region. A change in the trend can be expected, or for the crypto to remain at least stable for some time. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so it should be waited to see if the trend will actually change to the upside. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could hold support or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around $11.64. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the 3-hourly ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around $10.28. The support should be relatively strong, seeing as the ribbon is spread out. Searching for divergence in the 3-hourly time frame, there was a bearish divergence and the price already went down. Moving to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but we can see that the trend is currently going down because the K line is below the D line. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could hold support or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around $756. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is above the daily ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around $679. The ribbon is spread out, so the support should be strong. But as the price moved very quickly and is far over the ribbon, a pullback or some kind of consolidation could be expected before further move to the upside. Jumping to the daily stochastic RSI, currently, both the %K and %D lines are very high, meaning that the crypto is being highlight bought and a change in the trend can be expected, or for it to remain at least stable for some time. Despite this, the K line has yet to cross the D line, so patience should be exercised until you see if the trend will in fact go down. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.